This is Irontrader. It is Sunday night. Now the futures open here at 6 o'clock. That was about 25 minutes ago. So we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. Remember, the contract roll of natural gas starts today. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, here we have crude oil, your daily chart, and your natural gas, your daily chart. Now, big brouhaha kicking back up there in the Middle East. So crude oil here is making a nice run. Okay, what we had here is we had a nice series of lower highs and lower lows, and then we put in a even lower low here at 71.46. This is what we're looking for at 71.67. However, you notice that this closed at 71.94, which was above that key level here of 71.67. Okay, so this here was that really nice double bottom situation. The following day, we had a higher low and a nice green candle, and then what we got Friday, we held the top portion of that candle and made a higher high above the 8-day, and now we're looking here. We're looking to test this 21 SMA here at 75.60. Okay, so let's take a look here at the upside here first. So we're looking at that 21 day. That's at 75.60. Now right above that, what we're going to do is we're going to take a look right up here, and you're going to look at 76.52, and then we can come right here to this bottom double bottom situation. You're looking at 76.70 level, and then we'll come right to the top there. You're looking at 76.98 level here. But really the key one you're looking for is going to be that 77.81. That's going to be your nice big resistant. And then above that, you got 78.67. And then we have the old Hondo up there at 79.49. And then we have your price channel, which is your retest of 80.16, which is basically the top of that candle right there. Okay. Very, very nice. Good, really good. A lot of good targets here on the upside. So the first one you're going to worry about is going to be that 21 day, and then we'll follow the candles up, but realistically your target's going to be that 77.81 level, 78.67, that Hondo, and then we're going to have that retest. And then we have to see if we can get up to that retest, what the reaction is going to be here, just like we do on all these levels. What is the reaction? Okay, so what we're watching is that 21 day. What is the reaction? Is it going to blow through this, or is it going to come up there and then come sell right on down? Okay, so on the downside, this is what we want to watch. You want to watch that key 8 SMA. You're sitting at 74.45. That's going to be very, very key level right there. Okay, that's going to be very, very key. You want to have the close above that on a closing basis. That's very, very critical. Okay, then you have 74.38. We have 74.16 level. We'll come over to the top of this candle is 73.52, and then we're going to look right to the bottom of this candle, which was Friday's low at 72.83. Now, again, if that's lost, we just follow the candles down. You got that 72.54. We have that 72.20. That's a 71.67, which we're looking for. And then really here it is. The key is that 71.46. But realistically, what we want to watch is two key levels. That 8 SMA here on the downside, 74.45, and then we want to watch that 21 day at that 75.59 here right now. Okay, those are the two key levels. If it breaks that, we just follow the candles till we get higher. We're looking here at the 8-day. If that's lost, we follow candles till we get lower. Now, RSI here, we had a nice positive divergence. Okay, so we had this low right here. See this, where I came down low? And we had even lower low, but we had a higher low. Okay, positive divergence. So always watch for things like that. Very, very critical here. Okay, so when you always look for any kind of a tail that'll make you, give you that little edge. The same way here with this double bottom situation where you just went down lower, but you closed above. That's a beautiful, nice double bottom. Now, if you want to learn about chart patterns here or candlesticks, just go on my playlist. It's all right there. Seasonality charts. It's all right there. Just click right onto it. Okay. MACD here now looks like it wants to curl right on up. So you know what happens when that green gets above the red. It's just like that. And then what we have is this is what we get. So very, very nice. Now, again, if we can blow through that 21 day here, then we have some really good, nice upside targets. You blow through that 8 day, we have some nice targets going down. Okay, now here we have the old natty gas. Now you can see natty gas has made another lower low here today. Okay, so today's low is 199. What we're looking for here is 197. That is going to be your support level. And then you get that's lost, we'll come right here to the bottom. That's 192. And then we'll come here at 190. And then we have your big retest down there at 188 level. Okay, so again, on natural gas here, just be a little patient with this if you want to take the long side here. Because what it usually does is if you look at a seasonality chart, it kind of comes off a little bit here at the end of August and beginning of September. But really, the first week of September is when you want to buy this and run that all the way up to the second week of December. So just have some patience with this. That's what we want to do. But again, on the downside, we just watch that today's low at 199 level, then 197, 192, 190, and then 190, 188. That is your big target there. Now, again, now, on the upside, what we're going to be watching is obviously we're going to be watching yesterday, or Friday's low, I should say. And that's at 2 flat, and then we'll come up here. Watch that bottom of that candle that's sitting at 2.03. Then we'll take the top of that candle. You're looking at 2.07, and then we're looking here. This is the big boy that you're looking for, is at 2.10, and then your 8 days right above that here at 2.13. Now, the 8 day has not crossed over yet, okay? But when it does, see how that is when that 8 day comes up, and then when an 8 day crosses over, this is what happens, okay? But that doesn't mean that that can't curl right back up here. Or even like in this case here, it might never even cross. It might hit that 21 day and bounce right up. We got to see how this all shakes out. But this is a very, very, very clean trade, I should say, okay? So just watch the top of these candles here. This is what you really want to watch, is that 2.03 level, and then we want to watch that 2.07 level, and then we have that nice 21 day at 210, and then that 8 SMA at 2.13. Very, very nice. Now, again, if we can get above that, then we look to this candle. You're looking at 2.20, and then we have 2.22, and then we're going to look for that 100 SMA, which is very, very strong at 2.27. That's going to be a really strong resistance level, because look at here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days that you went right into that 100 day. Yeah, did you get above it? Sure. Did you close above it? Oh, hell no. See, you close below that. And then once you start getting this series of lower highs and lower lows, that says that this is, you either got to get out of your long position or take a short and come right on down here. So right now, this is bearish. There's nothing here, just like when this was falling down, there was nothing here that says this is bullish until we got that double bottom situation. So let's just see how this all shake out. So don't have no opinion, just wait and see. But again, natural gas will have its day. You're not going to sit down here at that 1.99 here for the winner. That's for sure. Okay, RSI, well, we had that nice positive divergence going on here. And that gave you a nice, really good run up here, all the way from the bottom of 1.88 to all the way to the top at 2.30. Okay, so that's what that positive divergence can do for you. Very, very nice. Now we just got to let this thing ride out and see where it all ends up. And then we have your MACD. You look like your green is crossing over your red. That's always very bearish, but then again, we have that nice sell signal. But that's like what we had here on this crude oil. See how it went down, okay, below that red. What's that sell signal? This is what you get. But natural gas, you're coming into its own wheelhouse here now. So just have a little bit of patience to this, and we have a good trading range. Right now, you just look at the top. What you have is 2.30 on the top and 1.88 on the bottom. Let's just see how this all going to shake out. Okay. Now, I'll be back here tomorrow morning here before 8 o'clock, and we will do it all over again. Remember, trade what's in front of you, not what you want.